In this video, we're going to use Tubebuddy Tutorial 2021. We're going to use the SEO Studio right here to be able to get more views and to get more subscribers and to be found and to make sure our channel, our video is optimized correctly based off the features of this SEO Studio beta using Tubebuddy. And click on the link below to get access to Tubebuddy. I advise you to go to the pro, at least the pro level, to utilize all these nice features. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and grow your brand. Tubebuddy will definitely help you in terms of being more found, and that's going to help your brand in terms of growing your YouTube channel today. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. So look, check this out. We're going to enter our target keyword from this video, Tubebuddy. We're basically going to use the same keyword that we used from a previous video. So Tubebuddy Tutorial 2021, that will be our keyword that we're targeting. Now, this video we've done maybe about a couple of days ago and was over Tubebuddy Tutorial 2021, how to get more views on YouTube 2021. Now, it gave us a score of 95%. I believe one thing is missing, and it's probably going to be the title is not in the tags, but we'll fix that as well. But as you see here, what it does is it's going to give you a good how to improve your score based off this information here. Include your target keyword in the title. That's checked. That's our target. That's our target keyword is in the title. That's checked. Include 80% of your target keyword in the title. So 80% of it is in the actually title. So yes, 80% of your target keyword in the title. So the next one is include your target keyword in the first 60 characters of the title. Excuse me. Include your target keyword in the first 60 characters of the title. Well, we've done that right here. We've done that as well. Include your target keyword naturally in the title. It is include naturally. And so on. Include your target keyword in the first 200 characters in the description. Well, you see here, we've done that as well. If you read the description, we do have our target keyword in there actually a couple of times. Include partial matches of your target keyword in the description. So we did that as well. So as long as you have these features, how to improve your score, then that's going to help your overall video in terms of description and your tags and your title. So make sure this is at least 90 to 95%, at least there. You want to try to get it 100%. Now the next place here is called the tags. Now the tag section here is going to definitely help you identify tags that's related to your actually video. Now here it does say we need to include exact target keyword as the first tag. We'll go ahead and add now and there, and we have that added on there. So now to improve our score of 100%. Now the other two things we had include more relevant tags. We have relevant tags on there. If you look on here, the relevant tags that we use is Tubebuddy 2021. We also use how to get more views on YouTube 2021. So we use tags that's about the actually video that brings relevancy, that brings consistency, that brings a natural consistent across the board. So now we can go to the next area, which is the thumbnail. Now the thumbnail also gives you tips to improve your thumbnail and also compares your thumbnails to other video thumbnails across the board. Now it says use bright colors and a high contrast images. Well, I would say we did that. We can be a little bit lighter. So we could be a little bit more brighter on our thumbnail. The next one is include a close-up of a human face whenever possible. Well, we did that. Ensure text is large enough to read on any device. Okay, I can read that. Also can read it on my phone. And then also it says use fonts, colors, shapes that are consistent with your branding. So we use the logo of Tubebuddy. And so we could probably have done a little bit more on any type of, fonts or coloring. But I really believe this is still does stand out versus the other ones that's on here. So yeah, I think so. I think it definitely has a, a very clear, clean look. Like I like this in person here, right? This one right here that says Tubebuddy review. I kind of like that one. I do like his thumbnail. This is another nice thumbnail right there. More views with Tubebuddy. That's a good thumbnail. So anyway, but that's how you would compare it. You compare your thumbnails to other people's thumbnails that's done it, and that will give you some experience, to give you something to kind of, to kind of go by to kind of compare. I'm trying to say. Hit next, and then it says yes, apply to my video. Any changes will be applied towards it. So we'll apply that there, and populating title, descriptions, and tags with optimized metadata updating tags. So just going ahead and updating that right now, and then we'll go ahead and go through the changes. And so right now, let's see here. We will have to adjust, just adjust a little bit on this. And adjust. Here we go. Save that. And then go back to SEO Studio. And that's it, guys. So that's how you do it. Build the perfect searchable title, tags, and description, or title, description, and tags for your video. That is a wrap on this actually review, the Tubebuddy Tutorial 2021, how to utilize the SEO Studio beta to get more views and be more searchable on YouTube to help grow your brand. That's exactly what this video is all about. So we will talk to you next time. I'm going to do another video over the Tubebuddy tutorials. And this time we're going to talk about, this is what we're going to talk about. I'll even show you. We're going to talk about the video topic planner. We're going to talk about this and how we can utilize this on a high level. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click on the link below to get access to Tubebuddy, and I'll see you on the next video.